Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm excited to walk you through Notion's brand new feature, Conditional Colors in Tables. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to automatically highlight your Notion database rows based on their properties, making it so much easier to scan, prioritize, and organize your information. If you've ever wanted your in-progress tasks to pop out in orange or important notes to glow in green, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Imagine you've got a simple database in Notion. It has 3 columns: name, text, and status. Maybe it's your weekly task list, a roster of project ideas, anything that fits your workflow. What we're going to do is set up Notion to color code these rows so your most urgent data jumps out at you automatically. First, you'll want to access your database's settings. Click the 3 dots in the upper corner or wherever your database options are. You'll see the row labeled Conditional Color. This is where the magic begins. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see the option to add conditional color. Let's focus on the status property first. So, choose status as your property. This is perfect for things like task progress, approval stages, or anything that moves through steps. Now, let's set up our condition. Let's say you want every row with their status set to in progress to really stand out, so you never miss what you're currently working on. Select in progress as the value. Next, choose what happens when this condition is matched. Pick an orange background for the entire page. Instantly, anything that's underway shouts for your attention, just like an orange traffic cone lets you know where to focus on the road. If you're worried about missing deadlines or juggling multiple projects, this visual cue can be a lifesaver. Ready for another example? Let's add a second conditional color, this time based on the text property. Maybe you want certain rows to show up in green if the text ends with a 2. It could be version numbers or just part of your personal grading system. Click Add another conditional color, then select text as your property. Set the rule to ends with and type in 2. For the color, pick a green background. Any row where the text meets your criteria now gets a splash of green, giving you an instant overview of, say, second iterations or highlighted items. These 2 examples are just scratching the surface. You could imagine using conditional colors for all sorts of workflows, flagging overdue assignments, highlighting your VIP contacts, or distinguishing draft documents from finals. The best part is, you don't need to manually update anything. Notion does the work for you every time you change a property. If you're wondering about performance or speed, don't worry. Notion applies these colors instantly. Sometimes it might take a second if you've got a really big database, but just let it refresh. And if your condition doesn't seem to work immediately, double-check your spelling or selection. The conditional color works with any property, so you can really get creative. So that's how you set up conditional colors in Notion tables. I hope these examples spark a few ideas for your own databases. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash that like button, drop a comment with any questions or your own creative setups, and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!